Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. I'll come in. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
My name is Levi Thompson. There's two Sundown U15 on a 4500 watt amp.
Okay.
I got four Black Diamond 6.5 full range on a 2000 watt Black Diamond.
Okay. Where's all the amps at?
There's and then I got a 29 amp skid bank.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, the amp is on the side of the box and then my star amp is right here.
Nice. Okay. Who built this?
Me and Trace.
Very nice. Did a good job.
Yeah.
A lot of work.
Yeah, a lot of work.
Oh yeah. You having any issues with anything breaking apart or
Not
just
yet.
not yet?
Not
That's
yet.
good. All right. Any kind of SPL tests on it?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
Tonight.
Okay. I got a couple more questions for you. Box, cubic, space, and tuning. You don't know?
I know tuning's around 30, 40.
30? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Have you ever tried mounting the subs regular yet?
Not yet.
Like inverted?
Yeah.
Always
not
mount
yet.
better. Okay.
Yeah. We built it like that, but we
Okay.
haven't really messed with it.
Okay. Are you happy with
Last
it?
minute thing. Yeah, I love it.
All right.
Love it.
Nice.
I want a flat wall now.
Flat wall?
Yeah, I want more.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
You trying to get a little louder? Okay.
Yeah. Way louder.
Wow. I like that you put a little bit of dynamite on the glass.
Yeah, I
That
had
helped.
to.
Yeah, you had to, yeah.
Keep on clapping. I thought I was afraid it was gonna break.
Yeah. Is there a way I can see the amps on the side?
Yeah, you can open the door.
Okay. Does this go up? Your amp seat go up for the amp view? There we go, perfect. This video is sponsored by NVX, and today I have the Y Series NVX budget level 12-inch subwoofer to show you that comes in a 10, 12, or 15-inch sub size. It's rated at 800 watts RMS, 1600 watt peak power. It has a 15mm X-Max and 116 ounce double stack ferrite magnet with a 3-inch high temperature copper voice coil aluminum former. Frequency range plays between 20 and 200 hertz, and of course it works in both sealed and ported applications. If you want to know more, check out links in the description. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. Appreciate the info.
She said she from Dallas, but she live in Atlanta. Fuck you right, she my baby. I'm gon' need me a pamper. Can you do that on my dick? Girl, I'm gon' need you to answer. And you know I won't fuck, so baby, give me that Pink Panther. Give me that Pink Panther. get married, Panther.
Damn it, I pulled out my dick. Gave her my dick. Now she just stopped screaming and I'm playing. Girl, you know I'm good. She can't. So we baby. That right, I'm throw that ass. In them dimes, what I'm baby girl, I love you. Fuck you.
Yeah, man, sure.
Feel like I'm in your pussy when you sucking my dick. Feels like
Likes the higher note a little bit. Pretty punchy in the mid 40 range. Awesome, man. Awesome. Thanks for the demo. Nice to meet you again.
Thank you, man.
What's your name?
Levi Thompson.
Awesome. All right, man.